we'll guide you through how to delete Google Docs quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to docs.google.com and make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, you'll see all your documents listed there. Find the document you want to delete. Now, hover over the document and look for the 3 vertical dots, which is the Options menu, located at the top right corner of the document's thumbnail. Click on those 3 dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see several options, but what you want to do is click on the Remove option. Once you click Remove, the document will be moved to the trash. Now, if you want to permanently delete this document, you need to go to the Trash folder. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu with options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and so on. Scroll down until you find Trash and click on it. Here, you'll see the document you just removed. To permanently delete it, right-click on the document and select Delete Forever. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm this action. Click Delete Forever, and the document will be permanently removed from your Google account. Remember, once a document is deleted forever, it cannot be recovered, so make sure you really want to delete it. That's it. You've successfully deleted a Google Doc. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.